Allegheny, York. C2, nitrile asymmetrical piston U-cup. C2 style piston seals have excellent sealing performance despite the small profile. Extremely low friction is experienced because of the short contact area at the sealing surface. These piston seals are manufactured undersized on the internal diameters in relation to the nominal dimensions. This ensures the required tight fit and eliminates heel drag on the dynamic surface. Only after installation will the sealing lip diameter show the desired dimensions. Profile C2 piston seals stretch easily into the groove of one-piece pistons. Standard material is 84 durometer nitrile, and may be used at a temperature range of -65 degrees to 220 degrees Fahrenheit in hydraulic applications and -65 degrees to 180 degrees Fahrenheit in pneumatic applications. Maximum working pressure for hydraulic use is 2,350 psi and for pneumatic use is 235 psi. Temperature, -65 degrees Fahrenheit to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Pressure, 0 to 2,350 psi.